Every videographer should know this one trick: how to slow down the music in your films like this. If you want to have control like this over the music in your films, this is the YouTube video for you. Stick around. Hey, I'm Beka. I'm a wedding filmmaker, and for the last 10 years, my job has been telling emotional stories through images and sound. Over time, I've become pretty obsessed with how much music shapes the way people feel when they watch a film. I've seen firsthand how the right musical choices can completely change the meaning, impact, and depth of a moment.
Oh my gosh, she used the same song.
You really cooked, man.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not a classically trained composer. I don't come from a formal musical background. I learned most of this through editing, experimenting, and a lot of trial and error with real projects and real couples. What I care about is helping filmmakers have more creative control, that they're less boxed in by licensed music and feel more confident in making musical decisions in their work. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 practical ways that you can do that using tonal sound effects. These aren't just regular sound effects. They're musical sound effects, which means that they have keys and feeling and emotion. Because of that, you can use them almost like instruments. You can build layers into existing songs or even create something completely new. Let's start with the simplest way to use tonal sound effects: adding to a licensed song. In this example, I'm going to work with wedding vows.
I've never believed in the idea of the one, that we all have a soulmate out there that we belong with. However, when I think on the past 8 years with you, that notion of mine feels challenged. If soulmates did exist, I know you would be mine.
The song works fine, but it doesn't really create a clear emotional space for the words to land. By adding a couple layers of violin, something really interesting happens. Instead of the vows just sitting on top of the music, the tonal layers create little emotional pockets where the words can live.
I've never believed in the idea of the one, that we all have a soulmate out there that we belong with. However, when I think on the past 8 years with you, that notion of mine feels challenged. If soulmates did exist, I know you would be mine.
These subtle swells actually give the lines more weight and significance, more emotional impact, moments that didn't exist in the original licensed song. And the best part is you're not locked into where these moments have to be. If the vows are longer, you can extend the tonal layers, and if they're shorter, you can tighten them up. You're shaping the music around the story instead of forcing the story to fit the music. My second example is about control. Sometimes a song naturally dips in energy, but your film needs that moment to last a little longer. Maybe for reflection or dialogue or vows or just suspense. With tonal sound effects, you can stop the song at that dip and hold the energy exactly where you want it for as long as you want it. This gives you space that simply didn't exist in the original track. You're no longer at the mercy of that song's structure. You get to decide the emotional shape of that moment. When the music finally does come back in, it feels even more satisfying because the viewer has been anticipating that return. They felt the drop in energy, they waited, and then the return is that much more impactful. This last example is where things actually get really exciting. Here, you're not just adding to the licensed track or bending the structure. You are composing your own music using tonal sound effects. You can build an emotional foundation with pads and cellos. You can introduce a rhythm when you want more momentum. You can let things breathe when your video needs that extra space. What is powerful about this approach is that you're no longer locked into licensed songs at all. Your creativity can really run free. If you have something in your head, a mood, a feeling, a vibe, you can actually create it. tonal sound effects have made that possible, even if you don't play an instrument or write traditional music. So those are 3 ways that you can use tonal sound effects in your films. You can add emotional layers to a licensed song, you can take control of the song's energy and structure, or step into the role of a composer yourself. Click the link below to get started and make sure to use code BECA30 at checkout for 30% off.